So the thing is, when people say, AI is being used for everything, the reality is generative AI is actually not being used very much at all by companies because of its unpredictability. And most of the quote AI that you're seeing are actually machine learning predictive models because statistically they're easier to understand, they're easier to control. And when I say control, I mean like we can understand better like what's going to happen. So to your question about the problem space, I agree. Actually, the problem space, well, there's one new addition to the problem space when we think about generative AI, and that's hallucinations. Literally, they make things up, and that's not a bug. To use a programming phrase, it's not a bug, it's a feature. So generative AI means exactly that. It generates content versus, let's say, a statistical model, which is computing an output. Why is that important? Well, because a generative AI model does not understand the world. It just understands the information it's been fed. So it's going to synthesize or generate a response based on the information it has. And sometimes it actually it completely makes something up because it's trying to probabilistically piece together words that are likely to go together. That's actually what a generative AI model is. It's a very sophisticated probability machine. With dumping lots and lots and lots of data, that probability is actually quite good. But to be clear, this AI model does not understand the context of what it's saying. It's just piecing together words that statistically go together. So if you think about generative AI model as being that, you can understand how it could piece together something that is actually completely fabricated. So other than, the harms that we have thought about for quite some time with machine learning and AI systems like impact on society, bias, discrimination, now we have to think about things like hallucination and complete fabrication.